I have left till here due to the power failure. Now start from here. The fraction with lower boiling point separate from the top, and the fraction with higher boiling point exit from the bottom. This is another question. Butane reacts with chlorine to give several products. State the conditions needed for this reaction. This will be UV or sunlight, and one of these products contain 37.8% carbon by mass, 6.30 hydrogen by mass, and 55.9% chlorine by mass. Calculate the empirical formula. You know how to calculate the empirical formula: carbon ratio, hydrogen ratio, chlorine. First write down the mass, then AR, then mole, and then we find out mole ratio by dividing the smaller number. So in this way we have C2H4Cl. Examiner asked you that it has formed in this reaction several products are formed. So you just take we know that empirical and molecular formula can be when empirical formula is given and MR is given. So because over here there is no MR is given, so just take the molecular formula by using this. Taking N molecular formula, we can predict like this if no for MR is given. So we can deduce like this, taking from the smaller value. So if for example we have N is equal to 2, so for empirical formula, molecular formula, we know that N multiplied by empirical formula. And if we suppose that N is 2, so the 2, because several products are formed, and examiner has not given the MR of compound, so just predict from the smaller, take smaller value, 2 into C2H4Cl. so in this way you can deduce the molecular formula. Next question is, nitric acid is used to make fertilizer. Nitric acid is manufactured from ammonia. In the first step, ammonia reacts with oxygen. Balance this reaction. So we balance according to the trial and error method. So this is the balancing. Nitric acid is used to make the soluble salt potassium nitrate. Name the alkali and reacts with dilute nitric acid to make potassium nitrate. Name the alkali is potassium hydroxide. So is titrated with nitric acid by using, so name the flask over here, name the apparatus over, by using flask, conical flask, and pipette and burette. Till the end point is reached. Repeat the above process by using the same volume. By using the same volume of acid and potassium hydroxide and acid without indicator. So just mention till, because 2 marks are there without indicator. So this is how to find out. So MR of potassium nitrate is 39 plus 14 plus 16 to the, this is 101 MR, or percentage nitrogen is mass of nitrogen, and divided by MR of compound into 100. So 13.861 is the answer. Fertilizers leach into the rivers and cause water pollution problems. Name one other pollutant found in river water. So that is eutrophication.